Welcome to this tutorial on encoding a video using Axonom encoding. Here we use UI operations using the Mosaic management system. However, everything can be equally done programmatically using an API. As for the first step, you have to create storage for an input storage and an output storage. Input storage is where you'll upload your source materials, and output storage is where Axonom encoding will store the results. To create storage, go to the admin portal and select the environment where you want to create the storage. Select Hosting Service under Core Services. Then click on Cloud Storage and click Enable Storage. This may take some minutes to complete. After the cloud storage is enabled, the storage account details can be found in the Cloud Storage Details section. These credentials can be used to access the storage account using external tools. If you go to Containers, you can see the 3 containers have been created. Click on the video output container and allow public read access for it. Next, you have to set up acquisition and publishing profiles. You must log into your Mosaic management system for that. You can go to your environment in Environment Administration and get the management system URL. You can also find the URL for your Mosaic management system from the Axonom portal. Go to My Mosaic Overview page and find the management system URL under the Management System section. Now go to your Mosaic management system and go to Acquisition under the Video Encoding section. You can add a title and select the storage provider as Mosaic Hosting Service Azure. The selected container should be Video Input. The root path is optional, and if you upload the videos to any subfolder inside the container, you must provide the path to that folder here. Finally, you can save the changes by clicking Proceed. Next, go to Publishing under Video Encoding, give a title, and select the storage provider as Mosaic Hosting Service Azure. Make sure the selected container is Video Output and click Proceed. Next, we need to create a processing profile. When go to Processing, you can see a default processing profile. You can just use that default processing profile for a quick start. Here, we encode a video without DRM protection. We discuss adding DRM protection in another video. After setting up all the profiles, you can upload videos to the video input container through the Axonom portal. Go to My Mosaic, Encoding, and select Upload a Source Video. Then select the container as Video Input and add a name to the uploading video. A subfolder will be created under the Video Input container using this name. Next, upload the video. Now, you can encode your video through the Mosaic management system. Go to Management System, go to Videos, and click New. Next, for the source location, select the video folder you intend to encode. Then, select the processing profile created. Finally, click Encode to encode your video. This may take some time to complete. Once encoding is completed, click Preview and copy the DashStream URL. You can play it with any Dash-capable video player. For instance, you can go to the Axonom test player, paste the link to the DashStream URL, and click Load Stream. And that's it. You've successfully encoded a video using Axonom encoding. Thanks for watching and happy encoding!